The Bermuda Triangle, the Devil's Triangle. These names send shivers down spines and ignite the imagination. But where did this mystery begin? The story starts in the mid-20th century. Reports of ships and planes disappearing in a specific area of the Atlantic Ocean began to surface. These were not ordinary disappearances. They were shrouded in strange circumstances. As these stories spread, so did the legend of the Bermuda Triangle. Writers and journalists were captivated, books and articles were published, often sensationalizing the incidents. The mystery deepened. Was there a supernatural force at work? The public was hooked. The Bermuda Triangle became a pop culture phenomenon featured in movies, TV shows, and novels. The mystery provided fertile ground for speculation and theories. Some believed in extraterrestrial activity, others pointed to magnetic anomalies or underwater methane explosions. The legend had taken hold, firmly planting itself in the public consciousness, and so the Bermuda Triangle's enigma began. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Bermuda Triangle is its elusive nature. Even its location is a source of debate. Ask 10 people to point it out on a map, and you might get 10 different answers. Some define the triangle as a region stretching from Miami, Florida to San Juan, Puerto Rico, and then to Bermuda. Others expand its boundaries, encompassing a much larger swathe of the Atlantic Ocean. This lack of a definitive boundary makes it difficult to study the area with scientific rigor. How can you investigate a phenomenon if you can't even agree on where it occurs? This ambiguity has only added fuel to the fire of the Bermuda Triangle legend. Imagine trying to navigate these treacherous waters with only a compass and the stars to guide you. It's easy to see how a small error in navigation, a sudden storm, or a mechanical failure could quickly lead to disaster. While the Bermuda Triangle has captivated imaginations for decades, scientists and researchers have offered more grounded explanations. They argue that the area is no more dangerous than any other well-traveled part of the ocean. Human error, they contend, plays a significant role in many of the incidents. Navigational mistakes, equipment malfunctions, and poor judgment in challenging weather conditions can have disastrous consequences. The waters of the Bermuda Triangle are also known for their unpredictable weather patterns. Sudden squalls, rogue waves, and tropical storms can emerge quickly, catching even experienced sailors and pilots off guard. Despite the scientific community's skepticism, some researchers and enthusiasts continue to explore alternative explanations. One theory suggests that underwater methane gas eruptions could be a factor in some disappearances. Methane hydrates found in deep-sea sediments can release massive amounts of gas when destabilized. This sudden release of methane could, in theory, reduce the buoyancy of ships, causing them to sink rapidly without warning. Another theory posits that magnetic anomalies in the region could disrupt compasses and navigational equipment, leading to disorientation and accidents. Some researchers point to the possibility of rogue waves, massive, unpredictable walls of water that can appear without warning. While rogue waves are a documented phenomenon, their occurrence in the Bermuda Triangle is difficult to prove conclusively. Of all the incidents linked to the Bermuda Triangle, the disappearance of Flight 19 remains one of the most enduring and perplexing. On December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on a routine training mission. The flight, consisting of seasoned pilots and experienced crew, was expected to return later that afternoon. However, as dusk approached, Flight 19 failed to return to base. Radio transmissions from the flight's leader, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, revealed growing confusion and disorientation. Taylor reported that his compasses were malfunctioning and that he was unsure of his position. Despite desperate attempts to guide the flight back to safety, contact was eventually lost, and the 5 planes vanished without a trace. Despite an extensive search effort, no wreckage from the 5 Avengers was ever recovered. The lack of definitive evidence and the circumstances surrounding the flight's disappearance continue to fuel speculation and debate to this day. Despite scientific explanations, the Bermuda Triangle continues to hold a powerful grip on our imaginations. Why does this relatively small area of the vast Atlantic Ocean continue to fascinate us? Perhaps it's the human desire to believe in something beyond ourselves. The Bermuda Triangle offers a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown, a reminder that despite our best efforts to understand the world, there are still forces that defy explanation. The stories of lost ships, vanished planes, and unexplained disappearances tap into our deepest fears and anxieties. The Bermuda Triangle, regardless of whether it possesses any true mystical qualities, serves as a powerful symbol of the enduring mystery and wonder that lie just beyond our understanding. And, as long as there are unanswered questions, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle is likely to persist, captivating generations to come.